Okay, today we're going to work on a couple things. I'm going to start by simplifying, and I want to talk about this excluded values piece. Okay, so we're going to simplify each and state the excluded values. So what does that mean when you see this? What are we going to start with? So 2a squared plus 10a all over 3a squared plus 15a. Okay, so we got to factor first. So let's factor the numerator. What can you take out of everything? Just a? Can you take more than that? Okay, so 2a is it. So we're left with a plus 5. Okay, all over. What can I do to the denominator? And you're left with?
A plus 5.
A plus 5 again. Okay, so we're simplifying. That means we got to do what? Okay, so we can eliminate factors. What can you eliminate? Okay, the a plus 5s. And anything else? You can take the a's out. So what are we left with? 2/3. All right, this following part here says excluded values. So we also have to tell what's excluded. Excluded values means things that a can't be. A can't be a vertical asymptote or a whole. It can't be that. Because why? Why does that not work? What happens if you put these values back into the equations? Nick, what did it say? Yeah, you can't divide by 0. So there are 2 wholes in this instance. We took out the a, so therefore a can't be what? 0. And a also in the a plus 5 can't equal -5. Per our discussion yesterday, if we're graphing this, we would have 2 holes in this function. Do you have a vertical asymptote in this function? Do we have a vertical asymptote in this function? No, there's no vertical asymptote. Why not? Yeah, there's nothing on the dots. If you were actually going to graph this, if we were going to graph it, what you'd have is a line at 2/3. You'd have a line at 2/3, and you'd have a hole at 0, and we'd have a hole in the graph at -5. And it'd look just like that. There's no asymptotes, no curviness to this, but it would be a straight line. And a lot of you will see that and kind of get thrown off.